Alright, so we got the frame for the Mercury crew cab in the shop. As I was saying in the last video, Mike's going to do some rust repair here. You can see the rusty, this is where your rad support would go. This is where your front cab mount would go, kind of rusted. Other than that, very good frame. You can see where they've fish plated it. Fish plating means you put another piece of metal over top. That's what they call it. Anyway, it was protruding out in these areas. Mike got that piece of metal out of there. Gonna weld a new piece and put it on. Join it back onto there. So same as the other side. Take a look here. Exactly. There we go. The good news is you can see the frame in behind is very solid. So we'll get this done, then we're going to blast this whole frame too. We're going to sandblast this whole frame and get her blasted. So that's excellent. Long frame. Look at the size of that sucker. Crazy. The cab, Mike is starting on the cab here. We've got some parts in from LMC Truck. I do like their parts. Here's your front. You like your front mounts and toe board pieces. You can see there's the old rusted ones there. And those go, like I say, up underneath here. So he's working on this. Did a little patch up in here, you'd never know. Drilling out some of the back of this and behind. Getting ready, so he's basically starting on the passenger side here first. Here's some of the pieces he's been drilling out and getting rid of. He'll make new pieces where we can't buy stuff. He'll make new stuff, plug weld it back on. Again, of course, you remember the cab's all blasted. So that is what's going on there. Looking really good. Looking very, very good. Still waiting on a few more pieces to come in. Hopefully soon. The weather, the snow, all the bullshit, all the COVID crap makes everything go slow. Now we'll go take a look and check out the box. Okay. Here we go. There is the box for the old Merc. This is in first primer. When we get everything in first primer, I would say that the bodywork is probably a good 70% done. We usually leave everything sit up because primer shrinks. So we never just the next very day start sanding it and getting ready to do more work on it. We leave it sit for at least a good week. And that's why we rotate jobs here all the time that you see here going on. So, this is going to sit up all this week. And then after that, it's ready to be blocked down, and then it can go into final primer. We'll fit the tailgate, of course, make sure that fits. But yeah, so that's all, we primer it in stages. Obviously, this is all primer that's masked already. You saw that in current videos. But that is a good 70% done. That box looks 100 times better. And of course, the tailgate, the Mercury tailgates are right there. There you go, Mercury, right next to Ford. 67 Ford, 67 Mercury. The only difference is the lettering. So like I say, the next step is we'll fit that tailgate on there, make sure it fits, opens, closes, latches nicely. Then we'll probably block all this stuff down, put it in final primer, and then we know that the box, the tailgate, is just ready to rock and roll. We'll also tilt it up on end, on its front header panel, get underneath there. It's been primered already. We've already done that. I don't think I did show you that, but we did primer it, epoxy primered it. And we'll do an undercoat underneath there. The owner wants to keep it like original, so that's what will happen next there. And then these parts and pieces are ready. It's just a matter of once they're in final primer, leaving them sit until we're ready to block it for paint. And the longer it sits, the better it is. Because like I say, primer does shrink. Just to get off topic here a little bit, here's the VW. We're kind of fitting the doors right now. The owner's going to bring us out the latches for it on Friday, because we like to latch the doors and make sure they fit and close and line up nicely. But look at that roof. Remember that roof? It was all chopped, and look at this now, eh? That's beautiful. Just beautiful. Look at that nice body line. I don't know if you can see it with the primer. Sean's got the body line back in there. Big difference. Huge difference now with this being done. Still a long ways to go on the little VW. Still a long ways to go here. But, I mean, all the fenders, the deck lid, the hood, that's all in first primer. The roof now is in first primer. Now you got to work on the sides, and then we'll be pulling the body off its chassis, putting it on a stand, and bolting the whole thing together. Bolt the hood on, the trunk on, everything, the fenders, and make sure everything fits properly. So that's what's happening right there with the bug. All right. Well, Mike's been working away here today on the truck cab, so let's go take a look and see how much you managed to get done today on it. It all takes time. Let's check it out. Okay, come back in the shop, see what Mike's up to. Well, we can see he's cut this out here. He's got it all cut out. Oh, he's got some plates made right here. Look at that. He's got the hole ready to go. Nice. Same thickness, 3/16. Very nice. I see he's all along this out where it was rotten. I don't know where. Oh, there's a plate right there. He's got the plates made right there. Very nice. And, wow, he's been going to town since he started this video. Look at that. He's putting the new plate on there. Very, very nice. Again, he's got the weld through etch primer in behind. Excellent. Excellent, excellent. We're doing good. So, there we go. Wow, by the way he's working here, this frame is going to be a couple hours and out the door it's going to go. Get her down to the blaster. Then we can start getting other parts ready for it. Hopefully, well, I don't know, hopefully let's say hopefully by the beginning of March, or not March, February, the frame's painted, done, and a roller. Ready to rock and roll. So that's good. Okay, well, hey, it's always a good time at all time. Thanks for watching. Keep in touch. Remember, Sunday Fun Day's coming soon. Anyway, see you later.